Hey, welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to become a successful coder in no time. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my awesome videos. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the fastest way to learn coding and get a job. Yes, you heard me right. You can go from zero to hero in just a few months if you follow my proven method. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around and I'll show you how it works. So what is the fastest way to learn to code and get a job? The answer is simple: build projects. That's right. Building projects are the best way to learn coding skills, showcase your abilities, and impress potential employers. It's like killing 3 birds with 1 stone. But wait, you might be thinking, how can I build projects if I don't know how to code? Well, that's the beauty of it. You don't need to know everything before you start building. You just need to know enough to get started, and then learn as you go. Let me explain. When you build a project, you have a clear goal in mind. You know what you want to create and why. This gives you motivation and direction. You also have a problem to solve, which challenges your creativity and logic. You have to figure out how to break down the problem into smaller steps, and then code each step. This is where the learning happens. As you code each step, you will encounter errors, bugs, and gaps in your knowledge. You will have to search for solutions online, read documentation, watch tutorials, ask questions, and experiment with different approaches. This is how you learn new concepts, tools, and techniques. By the time you finish your project, you will have learned a lot more than if you just followed a course or a book. You will also have something tangible to show for your efforts. You will have a working product that you can share with others, add to your portfolio, and use as proof of your skills. So what are you waiting for? Start building projects today and see how fast you can learn to code and get a job. If you need some ideas for projects, check out my website where I have a list of 100 project ideas for beginners. You can also join my online community where you can get feedback, support, and inspiration from other coders like you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and happy coding.